Hi, hello, vanakkam, and welcome back to yet another episode on your favorite Little Slaw YouTube channel. So, today in this video, we are going to see about the character function. So, let me show you the function helper dialogues. And in fact, we were seeing about multiple functions, the inbuilt functions of JMeter. So, as part of that, we are going to see about this character function in this particular video, and I will take you through few examples and few challenges, and this can even help you in your interviews as well. So please do watch the video till the end, and if you have any questions or any queries or any doubts, please do comment in the comment section. And all the very best for your interviews. And before we move on to this video, this is me, Vasan Shanmugam. I welcome you all to a Little Star YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and like the video, comment your questions and feedback in the comment section. So coming back to this video, the content, which is the char function. So this char function, if you see here on the top of this drop down, so the char function we have. So this is a inbuilt, it's a in JMeter. So this is an inbuilt function which is used to convert any ASCII value into its corresponding character. Say for example, if I'm giving like the number 65, it will return its corresponding character, which is A. And take for example, if I'm giving it as 1, so let me give it as like 31, or for example, if I'm giving it as 91, so this will give all the special characters as well, like starting from the um, I can even try some of the numbers as well to show you. So yeah, so it can even give the uppercase, the lowercase, or any other special characters which are, I mean, like it basically is used to convert any ASCII values into its corresponding character. So this function is particularly useful when you need to dynamically generate characteristics based on ASCII values during your test execution. And the syntax of this function, so without any values. So this is the syntax of the function, which is the dollar symbol, and then the open braces with two underscores, and then character of with the closing braces. So this is the uh, syntax of this character function. And what is the parameters for this? So here, if you see, this is the place where we give the ASCII value of the character which we want to convert, and it should be an integer which should represent the ASCII value. See, for example, if we're giving it as A, we might not get anything, but on the other case, if I'm giving it as like 65, I can get the uppercase A, or if I'm giving 100, I can get the lowercase d, and for 97, I believe it's lowercase a. So the input character should be an integer which should represent the ASCII value, and this function returns the character represented by the given ASCII value. So as we have already seen, by giving any integers, we can get its corresponding ASCII value to this character. And where are the places we can use it? Say for example, we can use this character function in the JSR223 sampler, or we can even use it in the bean shell samplers, or even we can use this in the user parameters as well. So in a JSR223 sampler, if we are using a Groovy as the scripting language, we can directly use the dollar. So I can show you. So I in fact have an example. So if you see here, I have an example of this where I have directly used this value here to get the character A. And when it comes to the bean cell sampler, we can use the same value, can directly use it. And when it comes to the user parameters, we can also use this function within the user parameters to dynamically generate character values. So let me take you through example. So here in this example, if you see, I'm getting the character for the ASCII value 65, which is the uppercase A, and then I'm going to print this value. And after that, I can even use the vars object to store the result for later use. So we can do all these three using the character function. So let me execute this, and I can show it to you how does it work. So let me disable it for a moment, and let me execute the script, and before that let me save it. And this is going to be a character function. So let me save it as character function underscore demo.jmx. and let me save it. Yeah, so now we have the script ready and it's running. And if you see in the line number 15, the value character A has been successfully printed. So this is what the JSR, I mean the character function does. So it actually help you to return the corresponding character on the based on the integers that we give. So this function comes in handy whenever we need to work with specific characters or when we are dealing with any encoding related testing scenarios. So I will take you through some other examples as well. So far we saw about our first example, which is the JSR 223 sampler, and now I will show you how to try this using the user defined variable. Say for example, if you want to bring in some values as a user defined variable, you can use these character functions as well. Let me add the user defined variable, and I'm going to add two variables for the demo. So which is going to be the first character, and then the value is going to be character 65, and then I'm going to add the second character, which is going to be character 66. So I'm bringing A and B values here, and coming back to the JSR223 sampler, what I'm going to do is I'm going to print these values and show you how does it work. And to print those values, I'm using the logged.info and vars.get, because when you bring in vars.get, this will get the value from the user defined variable. And in fact, I can even print the second value as well. So it's going to be log.info vars.get of the value, and then close bracket. Let me save it, let me clear everything, and when I run it, here you can see we have got the first value and then the second value. So in fact, we can use these character functions to concat the values as well. Say for example, in some scenarios where you will have to make some changes, or you have to like correlate some values and manipulate it and do some changes to it. So in fact, even in this case, we can do some concatenation. I can just show it for you for an example. So I'm going to add the second character here. So which is going to be the second character, and let me close this bracket as well. So now what I'm going to do is I have already printed the value A, and I'm going to concat the value B in this scenario, and let's see how does it work. And let me clear everything, and when I run it, so here if you see in line number 11 I have printed A and B, and in line 12 it's the same value, which is B. So the same way we can have multiple examples. You can keep on trying some examples like this, because this will definitely help you to learn how this character function works. And in our upcoming videos we will see different examples of how to do it. And so far we saw about the character function, how does it work, and what is the syntax of the character function and what does it do. So when we give an integer, it gives the corresponding characters. Say for example, it can be an uppercase letter, it can be lowercase letter, or it can be even a special character. So all these can be printed. So even the numbers as well. So if it is like you can even print the numbers as well. So the numbers, the characters, everything, you can print the corresponding values using this character function. And then we have used the JSR223 sampler and the user defined variables to demo how can we use this values. In fact, in our next video we will see about one of the interesting interview question where the interviewer had asked to the interviewee on how to use this character function in a particular way where they can solve a issue. So we will see that in our upcoming video, and that's the reason I have taken this video before that, because I wanted to give you an idea on how does this character function work, so you can keep on trying this in your home. And in our next video I'll show you how to like what is the interview question, and I will tell you how to handle that. So with no further delay, let's sign off today, and I will meet you in another interesting video. Until then, it's bye from Vasan Shanmugam and your favorite Little Slaw. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Little Slaw YouTube channel. Thank you and bye bye.